Hey guys, the good folks over at XMCOSY, XMCOSY Plus, sent me over some LED outdoor string lights. This is 96 foot. There's 30 bulbs. We're going to get them run down the porch. Actually, I'm going to put them down my carport, and if I have enough room left, I'm going to run them down my porch. So stick around, and we're going to get it unboxed, check them out, and get them put up. And then when it gets dark, we'll see what they look like. And they do have the little hole right here, the hanger, where you can hang them. So that'll work perfect. I'm going to use zip ties. I'm going to move over that way. I'll check back with y'all after I get them put up. Okay, I know it's not dark yet, but I couldn't help it. I want to see what they look like. Hopefully they work. Hopefully I didn't go through all that trouble for nothing. We'll fix and find out. We'll come back out here when it gets dark and see what they look like. But for right now, voila. It looks like they are all on. Good deal. I think I'm gonna like it. We'll check back when it gets dark. Okay, well, there we go. Let's plug them in and see what they look like. Woo, look at that. That lights it up nicely. Y'all, check that out. I like that. You can see out here the car. They're not overly bright. They're perfect for lighting up right here close, lighting up the side of my porch here. It lights all the way to the door. That is, this is perfect. This is nice, y'all. Yes, sir. This is definitely nice. I was going to show y'all some accessories that came in the box, but we're going to go back in where you can see good, and I'll show you that. These lights, I couldn't ask for any better. They have the little holes in them. I think I showed you that earlier. I can't remember now. And on top of the bulb drops down a little ways, but up here at the top, you can run a zip tie right through that hole, wrap it around whatever you need to. Me, it was the metal on the carport, but you know, if you're running these down a patio cover or around the inside of like a gazebo or something like that, these are perfect. Definitely. This is an extra long carport too, y'all. And it was enough to go all the way around it. And the bulbs came probably not but a few inches from being evenly spaced. Now, I tell you what, let's step this off. I really don't know how long this carport is. So this is going to be a rough estimate. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, about 35 foot. Width, remember this is an estimate, 3, 6, 9, 12, which is about 14 foot wide. So yeah, it covered it nicely. So if you are looking for some lights, you may want to check out these. Definitely nice lights. Like I said, not overly bright, but it's bright. It's not bright enough to bother the neighbors or anything, but it's bright enough to see out here easily. Get ready to carry out the trash or whatever. Light it up. All right, let's go inside and I'm going to show you the little bit of accessories that was in the bottom of the box. I didn't notice them until I had stopped the camera and then I started putting these up and then I noticed it. So let's go in and we'll wrap this up. By the way, definitely a thumbs up. Okay, we're back inside now. Let me show you here. Has 2 extra bulbs, some zip ties, and some screws, some little cable clips. I don't think you can really see those. Check this out. Zip ties, these little cable clips. If you're going to hang the lights where you would don't want the cable dangling, you can get those screws that it comes with and screw these into the wall, and that will hold the cables. Or right beside the light itself, if you don't have a way to zip tie them or anything, you can do that. Anyway, yeah, it comes with 2 extra replacement bulbs, the zip ties and the cable clips. And of course the screws to put the cable clips on there. And it does come with the user manual and installation guidelines. Shows you how to change that bulb. That's a nice thing right there. To install the bulb, align the bulb bulge with the notch on the bulb socket. After aligning, push the bulb into the socket and tighten it. Okay, I've never changed one, but that's how you do it. And that's it. This is some of my trash. Anyway, really nice lights. I don't think you'll go wrong if you are looking for some lights like this. I do recommend them. If you'd like to get you some lights like this, I'll put a link down in the description where you can order your very own. Light up your little areas that are a little dark, or great for, actually it'd be great for camping too. Anyway, I'll put a link down in the description where you can order yours. Also, if you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate that. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make, like this, through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.